Hi everyone, today we are making shrimp pasta with homemade fettuccine. It's easier than you think and the flavors are absolutely incredible. I'm making mine in my wood-fired oven today, but the same method works perfectly on a regular gas cooker too. Let's start by making the pasta. Add 200 grams of flour to your work surface and create a well in the center like this. Crack 2 eggs into the well and slowly mix them in with a fork, working from the center outward. Now, use a scraper to bring in any flour left on the surface. We don't want to waste any of it. Knead the dough until it's become smooth and elastic. To check if the dough is ready, press it with your finger. If it is spring back, it's perfectly kneaded. Rub it in a cling film and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's roll it out. Dust your work surface with flour and flatten the dough with your hands first. Then using a rolling pin to spread it out further. Keep dusting with flour to prevent sticking. Now I'm using a thin stick. Wrap the sheet around it and roll gently. Moving your hands from the middle outward towards the edges. This technique is how you get the thinnest possible sheet without tearing it. Leave the sheet to dry for 10 minutes. Now let's cut the pasta. Fold the sheet over like this. Folding it makes cutting much easier. One important tip, don't press the edges down too hard when folding. If the layers fuse together, they tend to break apart when cooking. Cut with a sharp knife into even strips. Dust off any excess flour from the pasta and leave it to dry for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the shrimp. First, clean your shrimp, make a shallow cut along the back and devein them. This takes only a minute and makes a big difference to the flavor. Marinate with salt, pepper, paprika powder, thyme and olive oil. Mix well until every piece is coated. Pan fry the shrimp until golden brown on both sides. While they are cooking, finely chop some garlic and onion. Add them to the same pan and cook until golden. Now let's cook the pasta. Bring a pot of water to the boil and add a pinch of salt. Add your homemade fettuccine. Because this is fresh pasta, it only needs 1 minute to cook. Strain and set aside. Now let's make the sauce in the same pan. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, A squeeze of lemon juice, and your shrimp stock. Mix everything together and let it come together for a minute. Add the cooked pasta, toss everything together and cook for 2 minutes until the sauce coats every strand of pasta beautifully. And here is the final result. Look at that fresh homemade fettuccine, golden shrimp, and the rich tomato sauce. This is what cooking from the scratch tastes like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out. I'll be back with more recipes soon. See you in the next one.